We'll guide you through how to create a Facebook account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Facebook is one of the most popular social media platforms in the world, allowing you to connect with your friends and family, share photos and videos, join communities, and much more. To get started, open your web browser on your phone or computer, or just open your Facebook app. In my case, I'm just gonna open my Facebook app. If you don't have Facebook installed, just install the app, and from here you will get an option called create new account in the bottom. Or if you already have an account, you can just log in, but in my case, and you can just click on create new account. Now you will get an pop-up saying allow Facebook to allow access to your contact. You can just click on allow or don't allow depending on your needs. In my case, I'm just gonna go with don't allow, and it will ask us to use a name. Just enter your name and click on next, and just set your date. After selecting your birthday, just click on set and click on next. You can also choose your gender in this page. You can choose male or female or click on more options, and you can even select your pronoun. But in my case, I'm just gonna go with male and click on next. Now it will ask me to sign in with my mobile number for security reason, or you can even click on sign up with email and sign in with your email ID. And that's what we are gonna do. Just click on sign in with email and enter your email in my case, and click on next. And it will ask you to create a password, and the password must be at least 6 letter long, and to make the password strong you can even include numbers also. And click on next. Click on I agree and enter the confirmation code. And you can even add a profile picture, or you can just skip this step. If you want to add, just click on add picture. In my case, I'm just gonna skip this step, and you will see a welcome message saying welcome to Facebook. Now you can just turn on these settings to find your friends faster, or you can just click on not now and just skip this step also. Just click on next and skip, and you can turn on notification or just click on skip. And as you can see, our Facebook account has been successfully created. And that's how you create a Facebook account. It only takes a few minutes, and once you are set up, you can start connecting with people and exploring everything Facebook has to offer. If this guide helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more simple social media tutorials.